Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about, can you spray foam over an existing leaky roof? So say you're a property owner and your roof's leaking and you're doing some research on which roofing system you might want. You come across spray foam and you're like, hey, I might want to do that, but can it be applied over a leaky roof? And the answer is yes, but how's that so? Really there's three reasons that we can apply spray foam to a roof. It really needs to be dry, clean, and it needs to be sound. When I say a roof needs to be dry, the insulation underneath your roof needs to be removed. So a lot of water will get underneath the seam or in a crack penetration, somewhere along those lines where it's getting underneath the top layer of your roof and into the insulation. So we'll pull core samples and may even do an infrared camera survey to identify those areas and rip those out and replace that area with new dry material. So that's how you get the roof kind of dry underneath. Clean, I mean, it's just simple power washing pretty much. But one of our owners says not just getting a roof clean to do spray foam, it needs to be so clean that if you dropped your sandwich on the roof, you wouldn't mind picking it up and eating it. So that's how clean we need these roofs and how we do them. And then sound, it's really about the top layer needs to be fully adhered. So spray foam needs to go to a existing membrane that's fully adhered. A lot of roofs will have, fasteners left and right on the roof. But some roofs, they'll have some adhesion on it or some adhesive on it that makes the roof flat and everything is down pat. So that's a fully adhered roof. Spray foam can go right over top of that. If you don't have a fully adhered top layer, we usually install a cover board and then that gives it that fully adhered lane. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to learn more about any of this process, in the description there's the URL to the full blog post. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.